everyone and welcome back to Pallotti Podium. Today we are going to start a new topic, and you know what? That is very important. Gender discrimination. Wow, what a great topic. Why do people say boys are better at sports while girls stick to arts? We are all capable of doing both. Yeah, just because we are girls doesn't mean that we are not good at maths or science. These subjects are meant for boys only.
And boys do not feel judged for liking things like cooking and music. We are all different, but we deserve equal chances.
And sitting together on the bench shows that boys and girls can learn and grow together. Therefore, let's stop gender discrimination and treat everyone equally.
That's right. That's all for today. See you next time with the same topic.
We are from Pallotti Podium.
A new topic, and oh, what a great topic. It's very important. Pallotti Podium. That's all for today. See you next time.
Everyone with equality. Treat everyone equally. Therefore, let's stop this. Everyone with equality. Everyone with equality.